Hello, today we will guide you through how to use MetaTrader 5 with IC Markets. In this walkthrough, we'll connect your IC Markets trading account to the MetaTrader 5 platform. Before you begin, it helps to have both the IC Markets secure client area and the MetaTrader 5 app ready, since you'll be moving a few account details from one place to the other. Start by going to the Accounts page inside the IC Markets secure client area. Once you're there, look to the left-hand navigation panel and click on Accounts. This is where your trading account information is listed, including the details you'll need to log in through MetaTrader 5. On the Accounts page, locate your account information and copy the account ID and password. These are the login credentials for your trading account, so make sure you copy them carefully and keep them private. A useful tip here is to double check for any extra spaces if you're copying and pasting, because even a small mistake can prevent the login from working. Next, copy the server name associated with that same account. This server is important because MetaTrader 5 needs to know exactly which trading server to connect to. If the wrong server is used, your account may not appear or the login may fail, so accuracy matters here as well. Now open the MetaTrader 5 app. Once the platform is open, go to the top left corner and click on File. From that menu, select Open an Account. This option allows you to add or connect an existing broker account within the platform. When the account search window appears, paste the server name you copied earlier into the search field. Give the platform a moment to search, then click on the matching result when it appears. Choosing the correct server result is what links MetaTrader 5 to the right IC Markets environment. After selecting the server, you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Paste in the account ID and password you copied from the secure client area. Take a moment to review both fields before continuing, especially if you entered anything manually. Once those details are in place, MetaTrader 5 should be ready to connect your IC Markets account. If something doesn't work on the first try, the most common causes are an incorrect server name, a mistyped password, or using the wrong account credentials. So it's worth checking those first. And that's it. You've now gone through the process of setting up MetaTrader 5 with IC Markets.